So this over here is a brand new laptop from ASUS for creators. Now, whenever there's creator products launched, I'm excited. I hope you are. This is called the ASUS Zenbook Pro 14 Duo OLED, and I'm told this is one of a kind. So let's have a look. Before you double tap your right thumb, let me tell you about the video sponsor, B&H. When you're looking for your next creator tools, I highly recommend you check out B&H and their wide range of products. Whether it's photo, audio, video, or PC Mac related products, especially when you're looking for a GPU for your PC build. And don't forget the deal zone where deals change daily and you might find some killer deals. B&H gives you the confidence of shopping with easy 30-day returns, award-winning customer service, and competitive prices. Spread the cost of products with B&H Paybu card that offers special financing and special tax saving on selected products. Check out B&H and the latest deals in the description below. We have the laptop. Box number 2. And this. Let's start with the most exciting thing, the actual laptop box. Here we have the new ASUS logo, which I am a big fan of. I like it a lot. Pulls this up. Oh, check this out. A little introduction to what the design is going to be like. Here's the laptop, which we're going to put on the side, and we're going to take a look in a moment. Some literature and something very interesting. So this is called ASUS Ergo Lift stand. So basically there's like these two stands or stickers that you can stick on the bottom of your laptop and then get it elevated onto a different angle if you need that. That's a pretty cool extra. Don't you love receiving extras with your laptop? It says Zenbook over here, and it's a nice leather black. Looks like MKB HD has designed it or something like that. We have the actual laptop sleeve and a pen holder over here. I think there is a pen somewhere here as well. Let's have a look. We have a 150 watt charger brick and the charger, and okay, here it is. There's the pen. So this is the ASUS Pen 2.0. Comes with a USB-C charger little cable. If you don't have one already, USB type A to type C cable. The pen, a few pen heads to change. USB-C port there to charge it. So then, the main part. Okay, look at this. Let's see if we can get one hand lift. Not quite, have to hold on. And then, whoa, gee, wow. Here it is. The display, secondary display, as you can see over here. Very exciting. We have a trackpad on the right side here. We have the keyboard. Look at the design here. This is like a brushed kind of aluminium or some kind of metal, maybe magnesium or something like that. Just feels metal, but you can see like these circles almost like kind of focusing to this ASUS logo over there. There's an ASUS Zenbook on the bottom there as well. On the bottom, we have 2 screws here and then some fans here, but these are the speaker grills here. This is with the Iris Xe graphics and Intel i7 model. It feels like a very premium laptop and something that as a creator you would really enjoy. So then let's have a look at the ports. Here in the back we have a HDMI port. There's a micro SD card slot. There's a DC in port. On the left side of the laptop we have a mic jack or headphone jack in over here. Then on the right side of the laptop we have 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. They also support charge pass-through. And then we have another USB type A port that is 10 gigabits in speed. Okay, shall we do the first turn on? Would you look at that? If you're wondering how much this costs, then check out the latest pricing in the description below. As you can see, we have the OLED screen in there and then an LCD screen on the bottom. In fact, the bottom screen is actually brighter than the OLED screen, but this is absolutely gorgeous to look at. It looks so clean, absolutely amazing. Oh, and did I tell you that both of these are actually touchscreens as well? I can already see that I can touch the screen. Both of them are touch screens. Absolutely amazing. So let's talk about some of the specs then. So in terms of processors, there's 3 processors available: i5, i7, and i9, 12500, 700, and 900H. In terms of graphics, it can be configured with up to NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti dedicated GPU, but it can also come with the Iris Xe graphics, what I have over here. In terms of the display, it's a 14.5-inch screen with 93% screen to body ratio. It's 16:10 aspect ratio and it's a 2.8K screen, so a lot of pixels there. Also, did I mention it's 120 Hertz display. It's 100% PCIe P3 color gamut. The secondary display is 12.7 inches and it's an IPS level panel. Both of them support the stylus. In terms of memory, you can configure it up to 32 gigabytes of DDR5. In terms of storage, it says here up to 2 terabyte NVMe PCIe Gen 4. Storage can be configured up to 2 terabytes, and inside there is a 76 watt-hour battery. Now, there's one more thing to find out. What's inside and can anything be upgraded? So in terms of the laptop inside, it looks very compact. We have the battery over here and nothing really seems upgradable. I can't see any RAM slots in here, so looks like the actual DDR5 is soldered to the board. So here's the Gen 4 SSD, and I don't think there is another slot that you can upgrade the storage, so it's the only one that you have over here. There is a little sticker in there that kind of has caution. I'm not sure if this is you're gonna avoid a warranty if you upgrade this one, but if you're wondering what actual SSD is in here, I can see a big Samsung logo here, so I'm guessing it's the Samsung 980 Pro Gen 4 drive. Not 100% sure because there is no obvious branding on it. So then, if you want to know how this laptop actually performs and some of the benchmarks, is the integrated or the Xe graphics from Intel good enough for doing some of the tasks, then hit that subscribe button. Videos coming out very soon. I'd also love to know from you what do you think about this laptop in the comment section below. What would be some of the interesting things you would use it for? Is this for you? I'd love to know from you in the comment section below. Likes and subs, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.